Hello and good morning, everyone. I hope you're fine there. My name is Sanket, and I will be explaining you one of the widely used cloud service, that is Azure Cosmos DB. First of all, why they named it as Cosmos DB? Why not something else? Well, as claimed by Microsoft, Cosmos DB has capacity to store the data of planet size. Yes, you heard it right. So without further delay, let's move ahead. Cosmos DB. It's an enterprise non-relational database. It supports many data models such as graph, document, table, column family. It is compatible with established APIs such as CassandраDB, MongoDB or Grammarly, etc. It selects the data consistency you need. It is easy to scale worldwide and it has sub 10 milliseconds latency. There are some key benefits of Cosmos DB. First one is it guaranteed speed at any scale. Second one is simplified application development. Third one is mission critical ready. Fourth one is fully managed and cost effective. And last one is Azure signups link for Azure Cosmos DB. Types of API that we are using in Cosmos DB. First one is SQL API. Here the data can be stored as JSON based document. You can then query for those documents using SQL API. If you want to store data in simple tables, then you can go for table API. MongoDB API. MongoDB is document-based database. If you have an existing MongoDB database in place and if you want to migrate to Azure, you can consider Cosmos DB. Cassandra API. This is a column-based database. Grammarly API. This is a graph-based dataset. Further, we will check the steps to create Cosmos DB. So in Microsoft Azure console, we will search for Cosmos DB as shown in below picture. We will click on create button. After clicking on create button, we will be redirected to different page in which we have to provide subscription details and resource group. After that, provide unique name to Cosmos DB. After that, we have to select an API that we are going to use in Cosmos DB. In our case, we are using Core SQL. Provide location detail and capacity mode will be provision throughput. After clicking on next button, we have to select apply for free tier discount. Account type will be non-production and geo redundancy will be disabled. Click on next button. It will show total execution time that will be required to create Cosmos DB and click on create button. Our Cosmos DB is ready now. Now we will show how to work with data in Cosmos DB. So click on new container. After that, it will ask us to provide a name to our container. In our case, we named it as AppDB. Then we have to select RCU, which will be 400 in our case. Container ID will be customer and indexing will be automatic. Partition key is customer ID in our case. Now we have to provide item details such as customer ID will be C1, customer name will be user1. We have to save this detail. After saving, it will get saved in unique format such as it will provide ID, RID, self, E-tag, attachment, and TS. There are some use cases of Cosmos DB. First one is IoT and telematics. Second one is retail and marketing. Third one is gaming. And fourth one is web and mobile application. References of this PDF is Microsoft Azure Cosmos DB Introduction, which is an official website of Microsoft. And second one is Azure Data Fundamentals DP900, which is a certification training provided by Microsoft Azure. Thank you.